watching NBC for New York. And now, Darlene Rodriguez, Rob Morrison, Chris Cimino, and Otis Livingston. This is News Channel 4, Today in New York.
Also at 6, dot therapy, the new way to get younger looking skin. Today in New York, we'll be right back.
All right, it is 6:23. We all know, of course, there is no fountain of youth, but if you're looking for a better complexion, laser treatment could be the answer.
Roseanne Coletti tells us about a breakthrough in technology called dot therapy.
It's called dot therapy because that's precisely what you see on the treated skin, a patch of dots. Deborah Minnelli says she'll give the dots a shot.
I have some wrinkles from prior smoking, and I'd like to get rid of them. I have some acne scars from adult acne that I had, and I'd like to see if it can help me out a little further.
This latest version of the CO2 laser delivers the beam in little microdots, leaving untreated skin in between. According to dermatologist Dr. Deborah Sarnoff, this aids in healing.
It's from those islands of normal skin that you can heal rapidly. So it's really breakthrough technology because the healing period is much faster than it was before.
The advantage of this CO2 laser is in the reduced downtime for the patient and in the ability to perform resurfacing on other parts of the body besides the face. Teresa Donahue says she had facial laser resurfacing before therapy was available.
It was more painful. It was very painful. And it took me about 2 weeks to recuperate.
Teresa is now having dot therapy on her neck to try to get rid of the crepiness and wrinkles.
It's wonderful even off the face for people that have crepey skin on the neck, for people that have crepey skin on the tops of the hands. The skin starts to get loose as we age. It can tighten that up. It can be used on the décolletage.
Dr. Sarnoff says it takes 4 to 6 weeks to see maximum results, though the recovery period is usually a matter of a few days. Immediately after Deborah and Teresa's treatments,
A little burning sensation. The first one was a little like that, and then it was basically fine.
I would say sunburn. That's exactly what it feels like. And I've had many of them.
the dots do add up in dollars, $2,000 to $5,000, depending on the extent of the treatment. Roseanne Coletti, Today in New York.
Expensive little dots.
Yeah, they look painful.
That's where Brownie just got back. He has sort of like I thought it was a sunburn. I thought you were in Florida.
Brownie. Let me see that pretty
Now
face.
we know where you've been.
It's very smooth.
Yes, it is.
Looking good.
You got a nice shot of him sitting down. That was good.
Very hard at work. 6:26. All right, we're going to come right back, take a break. We have your top stories coming up next.